Well, I got a little treat for today. About a month ago, my grandpa passed away, and we had to clean out his shop. And in the middle of doing that, we came across this little Tecumseh engine in the attic. After a little backlogging, a little backstory, we come to find out it was purchased for a go-kart project well over 30 years ago for my dad. Nothing ever came of that. The motor just sat in a box in the attic for 30 plus years. It is a complete chainsaw setup minus the bar, chain, and the fuel tank. But I was curious as to whether or not the motor would run. It had good compression, been sitting for 30 years. Figured the wires were rotted and everything would be corroded, and I'd have to break it all down completely and clean it, put it back together to get it to run. But lo and behold, fabric cobbled fuel tank. The carb needs a little adjusting, good cleaning, but that is just absolutely remarkable. The fact that that thing has been sitting for 30 plus years and fires right up. Sounds great. Got plenty of torque. That is incredible. They sure don't make motors like this anymore. That's one thing. It's the AH58 model number. I was hoping maybe somebody could give me a little more information about it. Maybe an approximate value. It's hard to find any information about these things. I don't see any of these motors currently for sale as a whole running stock unit. Any information, I'd appreciate it. I've sure been fascinated by this, and as much as I want to take it apart and look at the innards, I don't think I'm going to touch it. I'm going to leave it just like it is and let somebody that's an enthusiast of these have their way with it before I get my way with it. Because we all know how that goes. Well, like I said, any information would be appreciated. I hope you guys enjoyed this little engine as much as I have. Thank you.